up, crew? So, today is my actual birthday. And I know that the vlog that you watched last Sunday is on my birthday, but this vlog is starting out on my birthday. So, you know, it's really like my birthday the whole month. But anywho, major updates today. I am so happy to share with you guys. You know what I noticed? I never introduced myself in these videos. So I'm Cain. I'm a mom of 3. And we just moved into what we are calling the Taylor Throne. This channel, you'll find a lot of things that will help you and myself live a organized home and life. See, mom of 3. Here's one of my littles right here. But anyway, lots of updates today, y'all. The floors are done, the lighting is getting put in, and today is my birthday, and we are actually moving in. So, without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so guys, I got some stuff that came from Amazon, so I'm going to go ahead and open this with you guys, but first I need to find my tripod so I can kind of set up. So let's do that. So this is post Amazon Prime Day, and y'all, I kind of blew a bag on Amazon Prime, so bear with me. I don't even know all of the things that's coming in this week. Yeah, go ask your sister for me. Okay, so one thing that I did get from there is this sanitizer machine. So I love this little trigger gun sanitizer machine. I think I'm going to order another one for my classroom as well. But you just put like the sanitizing solution in here and you spray and it kind of falls. I think that this would be great for after cleaning to just sanitize the space. It's a lot coming in today, particularly today. Okay, and then this is the sanitizer solutions to kind of go with it. And then in here, oh, some masks for the kids. They need these for camp. Has nothing to do with the prices in China. I feel like there's more. There is more. Let's walk over here. So the kids, I think I already showed you that their beds came in. So that's Dax and Dash bed. Denim's bed is over there. This is one of the mattresses, and then it's another mattress over there. So their mattresses came in as well. This is the chandelier to my bedroom, guys. A little sneak peek. It's still in the box here, but it will be getting put up today. I don't think I ever showed you guys this, but it's about to be put up today. This is the pendant that will be going in my kitchen upstairs. I need to take it upstairs. And I'm trying to figure out my lights. What? My light bulbs for the chandelier upstairs should have come. So I need to check my Amazon app because, baby, where are you? We cannot put the chandelier up with no light bulbs. Like, what? Okay, so, no, Deliver today, deliver today, deliver today, arriving by 10 p.m. Where are the light bulbs? Like, oh my God, don't tell me I didn't fucking order them. I'm gonna be so pissed. Oh my gosh, you're still sitting in the car. God damn it. Sorry for my language, guys. Just got... I did not what? I did not hit you, I'm sorry. Where you found my keys at? Found my keys. Okay, I'm excited you found my keys. Y'all hear him? That's how he talk all the time.
I've been hearing your name for like 10 minutes.
I know. All of the stuff still sitting in the car. I thought we ordered it yesterday. And then you put this projector screen in here too?
Oh yeah, that's what I want to talk to you about. No, I want to tell you. Down here, let me do this, okay?
Yeah,
let
it
me
is.
do this.
I'm sorry, what?
Come on, I got Justin talking about you. I'm going to record people.
Yeah.
I said
down here, you're going to design this section?
You think everything, you trying to look up a projector on my own calls all this money. I said...
Ones that work good. Did you look at the reviews? What? That's just the screen.
Buy the screen, okay, and then you buy the projector. No, and they work good too. No, like, see, that's the thing. You look at the wrong stuff, right?
Okay, when it's glitching and you can't watch movies on it, don't ask me no questions.
Yeah.
Getting married, they said. It'll be fun, they said. But there's not much to decorate down here anyway. I mean, and we're getting the modular furniture, though. That's like non-compromise. Oh, we're getting that furniture. Yeah, you can do the projector.
You know everything else. Just stay in there. Yeah, leave.
No, I don't stay from down here. It's still a part of the house that, boy. Okay, so yeah, we're about to deep clean the kitchen really quickly because since getting the floors done, it's a lot of dust and stuff everywhere. So we're about to deep clean the kitchen upstairs. Like I said, my electrician is here. He's putting in lighting. So I'll keep you guys updated. So let's go upstairs. I'm scared. No, because I don't want the phone back there.
I like the phone.
No, we don't.
Okay, you want me to help you? I'm a helper, by the way. I just helped her get out the box. I want to help you everywhere.
Oh my God.
I can help you break it off.
We definitely gotta, hold on. We're gonna be careful with the pictures on here.
Jeremy is not careful. Okay, let me kill the box. Let me kill the box.
Hold on. Don't go in there. There.
Oh my God.
Leave it.
Look at this giant.
What's
this? Okay.
Oh, that's crystal. Alright, so our chandelier is installed, but we have to put the crystals on. And how many is it, babe? 42 times 3. There.
126.
There's 126 crystals that have to be put on this chandelier, so that's what we're about to do. And give you an overview of the floors and lighting. So let's do that run through really quickly so that you can see the overall picture, what's it coming to, and then in our next vlogs we will be moving into actual decor. So I'm excited. Kind of got like a summer cold, so that's neither here nor there. Let's do the run through. I'm at the back of the house. I'm going to start in the master. So these are the floors. They're gray stone. Don't mind like the ladder and stuff. We're still working. This is the chandelier. Let me turn the light out, guys. Let's see. That gives it a better. There we go. You can kind of see a better overall of the chandelier. In the master, I am going to get a medallion put up there to go around it, because you see it sits kind of out of the wall there. So I'm gonna get a medallion and paint it black. I'll probably pick that up today. So that's the lighting in here. This is the flooring. The paint is done. I just need to pull off like the tape. And yeah, this is the black room. Some decor things that did come in since we're already right here is my mirrors. These mirrors will go on the sides of the nightstand, so I have 2 of those, one in that corner as well. And then I got these cute pictures to go on the side of my window, and I'm getting track curtains, so yes, that's going to come together. But I love how this paint looks, this floor looks with this paint. Very dark, like I wanted it. And then we're going to pivot over to the princess suite. So yes, her lighting is in. Her chandelier is just beautiful. Look at that medallion and that chandelier. See how it sits so perfect? That's what I want for the master too. So I'm gonna go ahead and buy a medallion for that. And then I think I already showed you guys the crown molding that was done. And then her floors are the gray stone as well. And it do have like a blue undertone, which I don't mind, I still love it. And then some of her decor options, you guys will see it all come together over here. And yeah, this is the hallway. As you see, it's a different color. It's like a black floor here. And I can't wait for you guys to see this vision come to life. I'm actually going to skip the boys' room because I've already started the wallpaper in there and the design. So that will come in another video. Don't be surprised if I'm wearing this, because this has been like days of projects. I just noticed when editing this video, I didn't even give you an overall of like the lighting and the floor, like I said I was. So I'm doing that. All right, and then you have this chandelier here. And it's like a diamond shape. You see that? Like it's like a diamond shape that went here. It was a silver one here at first, but we changed it out to this one. And then I know, look at this ceiling, y'all. Look. This is probably why I didn't do the walkthrough, because we have the guy coming to do the drywall to patch all of that back from getting recessed lights put on this slanted roof here. So, they look really good, but the patches look terrible. So the recessed lights look really good there, but we gotta get the patching done, which is happening today. And then the floors down here are gray stone as well. And they're like this brownish gray color that I really, really love. And I want you to see the contrast. Don't mind the stuff here. This is all delivered today. The contrast of the gray floors to the black. Like, I cannot wait for that to come to life. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. This lighting was already up here, but I did take the jars off because 2 of them broke, which is crazy. 2 of them broke, which I already talked about. And then this one is the pendant that got changed. It was this Pizza Hut one here, but we changed it out to this one, which I really, really like. And what else? I think that is all the flooring and like, oh, the guest room. So it's highly ghetto in here, okay? Do not judge me, judge your mother. Yes, I have contractor bags up to the windows because this is where we've been staying. That's our air mattress, but I'm not here for that. I'm here to show you the beautiful lighting in the guest bedroom. And we are in the process of moving stuff here. I'm in the process of getting custom shades put in here, so that's why that is what it is right now. TV on the floor, very ghetto, okay? And that's okay because it's going to come together. But yes, this is the lighting that was changed in here. Those are all the lighting and flooring updates for this video. Next video, I'm so excited, is we're going to start getting into decor. Starting with the boys' room, and then I'll move on to Denham's room, and so on and so forth. So make sure that you are subscribed. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.